Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a follow button to your Facebook page so people can stay updated with your latest post. So let's get started. So we'll try this one out first onto your main Facebook account. So here onto your Facebook account, once you're already logged in, we'll just have to go ahead and click onto your profile. So just click onto your profile picture in there with your name to get redirected onto your profile. Then right after, click onto the three dots here onto the middle, and there should be an option to turn on professional mode. So this will unlock also the option so that people can see a follow button onto your account. So you'll just have to go ahead and set this one up, click on turn on, and it should go ahead and also add in the follow button onto your Facebook profile. So you should be able to see this message once your account is switched. So simply click on done and your account should reload and you should be able to see a professional dashboard in here that indicates that your account has been switched to a professional mode. Now, from your friends or other people's perspective, they should be able to see the follow button if they hover onto your page. So to view as another person, let's view that. Click onto these three dots, click on view as in here, and this is the view of people that is looking onto your account. So there is a follow button already. Now, let's talk about adding a follow button on your Facebook page. So let's switch onto your Facebook page first. To do so, click onto your profile icon here onto the top right corner. If you're not seeing your Facebook page here, just click on see all profiles and click onto your Facebook page. So it is now switched. We'll just have to head onto our Facebook page profile. So click onto this one to the Facebook button to head back home. Click onto your profile in here to get redirected onto your Facebook page profile. So once you're here, so if you click onto these three dots before the add action button does this thing. So if you click on add action button, so let's try this, it should go ahead and give you an option to add a follow button onto your Facebook page. But with the new update here on Facebook, you won't have to do that. It is automatically followed when someone likes your page. So you'll just have to let people like your page and they will automatically be following it. So let's take a look onto this as another person's perspective. So if you've noticed here onto our page, there is a professional dashboard already since this is widget 2. So let's click onto these three dots and let's click onto view as. So this is what it will look to other people. So they don't have the follow button, only like. But if people like this page, they will also be part of your follower as well. To grow your audience onto your Facebook page, just ask your visitors or your friends or family to go ahead and click onto the like button so that they could like your page and follow your page all together. And that is just basically it, how you add a follow button on Facebook. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.